Feeling overwhelmed with client communication and marketing tasks? Today, we're diving into how the RVMS Realtor Tool can transform your real estate business, streamlining your workflow and boosting your bottom line. First, let's log into the RVMS platform. Using the credentials provided during sign-up. Once logged in, you'll see the intuitive dashboard. The heart of RVMS is its contact management system. Click on Contacts to upload your existing database via a CSV file or manually add new leads. Be sure to segment your contacts into relevant groups like buyers, sellers, or past clients for targeted campaigns. Next, let's explore voice broadcasting. Navigate to the voice broadcasting section here. You can record a personalized message announcing a new listing, an open house, or simply a market update. RVMS lets you schedule these broadcasts to go out at the optimal time, ensuring maximum impact. Don't forget the power of SMS marketing. Go to the SMS Marketing tab to craft and send text messages directly to your contacts. You can send property updates, appointment reminders, or even request feedback with ease. Finally, track your results. RVMS provides detailed reports on campaign performance, showing you who listened to your voice broadcasts, who opened your text messages, and even conversion rates. This data helps you refine your strategies for even better results. With RVMS, you'll have more time to focus on what truly matters: building relationships and closing deals.